Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Lance from NerfThis.TV, and this is a bit of a different one and a one that I'm quite excited for. So let's get unboxing this really strange package which barely fits into the frame. So the little story behind this is I bought this, I actually pre-ordered this about 2 months ago, and what it is a mini arcade machine. So it's an exact replica of the original stand-up arcade machines that used to be all around the world. This particular one is a game that I used to play quite a lot, called Dig Dug, and it finally arrived today, so we're going to unbox it and have a look at what it's like. There you see we've got our Dig Dug arcade machine. One thing I will say for them is they pack it real good. We have our mini arcade machine in its very own box. It is exactly a quarter size. It's fully playable. Let's see, built-in rechargeable batteries, so you can actually charge it and take it away on a little camping trip or something. I'm not too sure exactly what you would do. And it's the Dig Dug version. We have here some instructions on how to play the game. I'm pretty sure I could remember how to play the game. We have a USB cable to micro USB. Micro USB, I don't know, but it's got your little joystick, little buttons, and you can even do 1 and 2 players. Little buttons for your supposed coin insertion. A little on-off switch at the back. If you can see that, it's down so that you can see there. A little on-off switch, volume control, battery status indicator, and obviously a charging port. Very nice. Nice little rubber feet on the side, and some plastic on the screen. Let's take that off. Ooh, some suitable SMR there, and there we go. A nice quarter-size Dig Dug machine. So let's plug it in, switch it on, and see what it does. There we go, Dig Dug. So let's see if we can. So we put some credits in there. We'll put a couple of credits there, and we'll say we're playing one player. Oh yeah. This is definitely the exact same. Well, thank you everybody for watching this. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of the quarter-size Dig Dug arcade machine. If you'd like to see more like this, please subscribe, and I'll check you on the next one. Bye bye.